Hi, my name's Michelle Lloyd of Lloyd's Academy. All DVDs contain question and answer practice sheets. Let's get started. Hi, welcome to your lesson on multiples. And multiples really are just our times tables. So if we think of the number 4, its times table goes 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and so on. And so all of these are multiples. 4 is a multiple of 4, 8 is a multiple of 4, 12 is a multiple of 4. So the multiples are just the numbers that are in the times table of the number you're given. So if I said to you, give me 2 multiples of 3, you could, for example, choose 12 or 15. If I said 2 multiples of 10, you could choose 50 and you could choose 100. So each number has lots and lots of multiples. If you wanted the first, say, 10 multiples of 6, then you could say 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. So those are the first 10 because they're the first 10 numbers in the times table. So whenever you see the word multiple in a question, just think of the times tables and that will give you the answers. So have a go at the questions and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. See you all soon and don't forget to like and subscribe.